Chandigarh administration is put out the relaxation for the lockdown norms every day. Now the city is entirely open from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and even there is a relaxation announced for the travel advisory also. Earlier it was mandatory that only 3 people can travel in a car and they should be in a streamlined system. One should be on the wheels and 2 others should sit on the backside of the seat. But now in a fresh announcement by the Chandigarh administration, the travel advisory says 3 people can travel in a car, but it is not mandatory that 2 should sit on the back seat. Right now we are standing on a Naka that is deployed at Sector 8 and Sector 9 dividing road. You can see the police is still on their toes to check the lockdown norms violations as the everyday relaxations are coming out by the Chandigarh administration. But this is a fresh development that travel advisory by the Chandigarh administration relaxed. Initially, when the lockdown is on the peak, the Chandigarh administration to the travel advisory quoted that only 2 persons can drive a car, can travel in a car. One should be on the wheels and other person should sit on the back seat. But later on, when the relaxations come and the 3 persons can travel in a car in Chandigarh, but both should sit on the back seat, one should be on the wheels. But now another fresh development says that only 3 persons still can travel in a car, but anyone can sit anywhere, even in the front seat, even on the back seat. So this is the kind of another relaxation announced by the Chandigarh administration, and every day Chandigarh administration is getting relaxed their lockdown norms, though there is a lockdown still, just because Chandigarh itself is a hotspot and even there are certain pockets that are contained zones and they are completely sealed just because the number of positive cases have been crossed around 115 in the city. But relaxations are still coming. Liquor shops are open. Essential, non-essential shops are still open with the formula of even and odd. But this is the fresh direction for the travel advisory, another relaxation for the citizens.
कोरोना काल में उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के लिए रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना एक बड़ी चुनौती है। उस चुनौती से पार पाने के लिए आज की हुई कैबिनेट मीटिंग में कई अहम फैसले लिए गए, जिसमें से एक फैसला लिया गया है कि पेट्रोल का दाम बढ़ाकर 2 रुपये बढ़ाया गया है, तो वहीं डीजल का दाम 1 रुपये बढ़ाया गया है, जिसके बाद उत्तर प्रदेश में अब पेट्रोल की कीमत जो है लगभग 73 रुपीज़ हो गई है, तो वहीं डीजल अब आपको जो है 63 रुपीज़ में मिलने वाला है। तो ये फैसला लिया गया है क्योंकि रेवेन्यू जनरेट करना एक बड़ा मसला बना है सरकार का। कैबिनेट मीटिंग में हालांकि और भी कई बड़े फैसले हुए हैं, जिसमें से एक फैसला लिकर के दाम को बढ़ाने को लेकर हो गया है। जी हाँ, शराब के दाम जो हैं बढ़ाए गए हैं, हालांकि दिल्ली जितने नहीं बढ़ाए गए हैं पर एक अमूमन बढ़ाए गए हैं, जिससे कि अंदाज़ा लगाया जा रहा है कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार को लगभग 23 करोड़ के आसपास का जो है फ़ायदा होने के पूरे चांसेस है उत्तर प्रदेश में। हालांकि केसेस कोरोना के जो है वो थमने का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं।